Alright, hi everyone. So it looks like we just got our first BarkBox subscription donated to us for free by BarkBox for our trial. And we are here with Epic and Elle, the Southern Ground Hornbills, opening and unboxing our brand new BarkBox. We'll see what we got in this one. Excuse me. Taking a minute just to get the box open. That's part of the fun. Alright, unconventional, but here we go. Ooh, that's our first peek at what's inside. Got some strong initial interest. The packaging is apparently great. And we got our first item. That looks like it is the Fun Chucks. So kind of a cool nunchuck themed dog toy. Epic's immediately interested in that. Forgot about everything else in the box. Maybe we'll come back to that box. So Southern Ground Hornbills are known for breaking up their prey, incapacitating them by shaking them side to side. So this is a really fun toy for him. You can see him shaking it side to side there. Mimics that natural behavior of shaking the prey to pieces. Alright, let's see what Elle finds. What's left in that box? Oh, too busy taking selfies. Hello. There's Epic off in the distance, still playing with his Fun Chucks. Alright, pulled the items out of the box. It looks like we have a fun rubber cone, super sturdy. Couple test pecks there. And then that purple guy behind her is a super spooky spinning top. Has kind of a chipmunk face on it. Looks pretty cute. Alright, we got Epic back to check out the new toys. Hard to choose. Ooh, that one's super durable too, and it squeaks a little bit. Major appeal on that. Box is still fun. Excuse me. Well, that one's fun to stick the face in. Durable, easier to pick up. Excuse me, Elle. Real durable there. Nice and bouncy. Fun to hit. The other way that hornbills incapacitate prey is by striking it really hard, so these are both helping encourage that really cool natural behavior. You can see he kind of winds up before striking down at it. Any normal piece of prey would be incapacitated by that. Definitely a fatal blow, but this toy is really, really holding up to that. And it moves, which is extra appealing. Alright, well, those are our items. We've got the super fun chipmunk-faced top toy and this rubber cone, and then the Fun Chucks way over there. Thank you guys for checking out Epic exploring his brand new BarkBox.